Every time you lift your arms, wear a sleeveless shirt, or catch your reflection by surprise, there's a little part of your body that pulls your attention to arms. Specifically, that soft, wobbly area under your arms, the part that jiggles when you wave goodbye, the part you wish was a little firmer, a little tighter, a little more defined. If you've ever felt like hiding your arms, skipping sleeveless outfits, or avoiding pictures because of how they look, this video is for you, because today, we're not just working out. We are reclaiming confidence, one rep at a time. And the best part, no gym, no equipment, no push-ups, just 5 minutes, just you, and a burning desire to feel stronger in your skin. Let's begin this journey together. Find a quiet spot where you can move freely. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart, shoulders rolled back and down. Take a deep breath and feel the air fill your lungs. Exhale slowly, and with that, let go of all the pressure, all the insecurity, all the stories you've told yourself about your body. Today, your arms become a symbol of strength, not shame. We start with arm circles. Extend both arms straight out to your sides, forming a T shape. Keep them parallel to the floor, palms facing down. Now begin making small, slow circles forward. Controlled movement. Feel your shoulders engage. Feel your biceps activate. Keep your core tight and your breath steady. These small circles seem simple, but within seconds you'll feel the burn. And that's exactly what we want. Keep circling. These are not just movements, they are micro-sculpting tools. You're toning the entire shoulder girdle, engaging your triceps, and setting the foundation for a lean, defined upper body. Now reverse the circles. Backward this time. Keep your arms lifted. Don't drop them. Fight the shake. Because every second you hold, every circle you complete, you're telling your body, I'm here to change. Next, without dropping your arms, flip your palms to face the ceiling and begin pushing them up an inch. Down an inch. Small pulse movements. Up, down, up, down. Keep your arms long and elbows locked. The fire building in your shoulders and triceps. That's the transformation. These tiny pulses create deep muscle activation, especially in the backs of your arms, where most of that soft fat tends to collect. Visualize the skin tightening, the muscles lifting, the arms becoming leaner, sleeker, stronger. You're not just burning fat. You're reshaping your confidence. Now gently bring your arms down and shake them out for a few seconds. Feel the blood rushing through your arms. That warmth is progress. That heat is fuel. Now let's move into an exercise that's incredibly underrated, the prayer pulse. Bring your palms together in front of your chest, elbows lifted, fingertips pointing up. Press your palms tightly together. Now push up an inch and down an inch. Keep pressing hard. Feel your chest, shoulders, and inner arms activate. These movements tone the inner part of your arms, the area that's hardest to reach but most visible when your arms are down. Keep pulsing. Push a little harder. Don't let the arms drop. This is where strength is built, in the discomfort, in the shake, in the sweat. Let's move next into arm scissors. Extend your arms straight out in front of you. Cross your right arm over the left, then left over the right like scissors. Alternate quickly, but with control. Don't let your arms drop. This targets your deltoids, biceps, and triceps all at once, giving your arms a lean, toned appearance. Keep your breath steady. Every cross is a cut into the fat layer. Visualize the arm fat shrinking. Visualize yourself confidently wearing anything you want, and no more hiding, no more layers. No more second guessing. Just freedom. Now we'll go into one of the most powerful no-weight tricep moves, the behind the head reach. Raise both arms overhead. Bend at the elbows and bring your hands down behind your head, as if you're trying to touch your upper back. Now extend your arms straight back up, slowly, with control. Down, then up, down, then up. Each rep fires your triceps, the exact area responsible for that underarm jiggle. The more control you use, the more your arms sculpt. You don't need dumbbells. Your own body resistance is enough, especially when you commit to form and breath. Keep going. Feel the stretch. Feel the strength. Now interlace your fingers behind your back. Pull your arms straight and lift them slightly. Then, pulse upward. These back arm lifts stretch the shoulders, tighten the triceps, and improve posture, which actually helps reduce how arm fat looks. When your posture improves, your arms automatically appear more toned. So these lifts are doing more than toning, they're realigning your confidence. Each pulse, each lift hits a quiet revolution happening in your muscles. Next, let's take the arms out to a W position. Elbows bent, upper arms parallel to the floor, palms facing forward. From here, extend your arms outward into a T, then pull back into the W. Repeat, key out, W in, key out, W in. You're training your upper back, shoulders, and arms all at once. This movement not only burns fat but builds posture strength, keeping your shoulders up, your arms active, and your presence powerful. Now we'll finish strong with what we call the arm fire combo. Combine small arm circles, straight arm pulses, and overhead reaches, all for 10 seconds each. No breaks, no excuses, just pure, beautiful, focused fire, because by now, your arms are shaking, your muscles are burning. Your thoughts may be saying, drop your arms, it's too much, but your heart says otherwise. Your heart says, I've come this far, I won't stop now, I'm changing my body, I'm changing my story. And in this final minute, you seal that promise. Drop your arms, shake them out, breathe, smile. You did it. 5 minutes of pure intention, focused movement, and beautiful discomfort. And in those 5 minutes, you didn't just lose arm fat, you gained control. Because what most people don't realize is that the arms are not just aesthetic. They are functional. They lift, they carry, they hold. And when they're strong, they remind you how capable you truly are. But let's take a second to talk about arm fat honestly. Because it's not just about movement. It's about hormones, stress, sleep, and diet. Fat stored in the upper arms is often linked to estrogen imbalance or cortisol, the stress hormone. Which means if you're constantly stressed, sleeping poorly, or consuming excess processed food, your body stores fat in stubborn places. That's why we don't just move the arms, we shift the lifestyle. Start by drinking more water. Dehydration makes fat storage worse. Cut back on refined sugar, it spikes insulin, slows fat burn, and increases inflammation. Focus on protein-rich foods like lentils, eggs, nuts, and lean meats because your muscles need fuel to grow. Sleep 7 to 9 hours, and take breaks from the screen. And above all, reduce stress. Your body listens to your mind. If your mind is always under pressure, your body will hold onto fat as a survival response. So when you move like you did just now, you're not just toning your arms. You're releasing the stress that's keeping fat stuck. And the best part, you don't need perfection. You don't need to do this workout for hours. You just need 5 minutes. Consistently, daily. These movements may feel small, but over time, they create massive results. Visible arms, tighter triceps, confidence that radiates. You'll notice it in your selfies, your shirts, your energy. Others will notice it too. They'll ask, are you working out? And you'll smile because you'll know the answer. So here's the challenge. Come back tomorrow. Do this again. Same time, same fire. Or stack it with your belly fat routine. Or do it before your morning walk. Just don't stop. Your body is already responding. And your results, they're not a maybe. They're a guaranteed if you stay consistent. This is not about being perfect. This is about being present. And today, you showed up. Your arms are stronger than yesterday. Your mindset is sharper than last week. And your future, it's lighter, leaner, and filled with possibility. So stretch your arms up one last time. Reach for the sky. Pull in that pride. And say it silently to yourself, I did that. And tomorrow, you'll do it again.